Hello, my name is Rhonda. Welcome to our channel. I really appreciate you coming and watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and please click the thumbs up button for me. And I really do appreciate you all coming. This is a dream of mine. I've told y'all before, and I finally got the nerve up to do it, and I am really enjoying making new friends, and I really do appreciate you all so much. Today I have my Glossybox. Can you believe Glossybox is the first subscription box I've gotten this month? Well, actually I got two today, but Glossybox is a UK box, and I never get this box till at least the second or third week. It almost always comes in this black and white polka dot box, and almost every month they design the box that it comes in like this in something different. And this month, this is the prettiest box I have seen them design yet. I think so. And these are really nice cardboard boxes, so you can reuse them. It's not, I mean, they're so pretty, wouldn't want to throw them away. They're really pretty. So you open it up, and it comes like this. They make a beautiful presentation. It is not my favorite box, I will tell you that. It's one of those things that are hit and misses. Sometimes it's really good, sometimes not really, but it is an okay box, and they do make really beautiful presentations. And again, I would not buy a box for presentation alone. I'm sure none of us really want to, but they do make a nice presentation. I think this, if I'm not mistaken, this box is $21 a month. And let's see, this month they sent these cards, velvet sunnies. Get $25 off with the code Aloha. I don't know what that is. I don't know, y'all might know. Oh, velvet eyewear. I was going to say, I think it must be what says velvet sunnies, but I'm going to look that up. That got that card, and then there's one Vincero $50 gift card off of any watch over $100. Well, that's a good deal. If you're going to buy a watch, it's basically half off if it's $100. And it's free shipping. Okay, that's pretty good. So then it comes like this. Untie it, and let's see what we got. Let's see, it has this little paper or little booklet. And the first thing I see is a Daily Concepts exfoliating dual texture scrubber. It looks like this. I've actually got one of these from them a long time ago when I had got their boxes. I'd got it for a couple months and didn't like it and canceled. And then I got it here again about 6 months ago because they had a special. I was getting something else, and if you got this box included, I got a discount on something else. And for 3 or 4 months, this box was so incredible that I didn't even think about getting rid of it. But was it last month? I think it was last month. I wasn't real pleased with it. I'm thinking it was last month that I really thought about canceling this month, but I didn't, so we will see what we got. Okay, we got this, and it says this has a retail value. I don't know if this being a UK brand, if this is their prices or ours, it doesn't say. But it says this has a retail value of $12. I have a hard time believing this sponge is $12. Well, let's see what else they got, and we'll see what the prices look like. And then the next thing we got is Hawaiian Black Salt Peel-Off Mask. It looks like this. And this says it retails for $4.29, so that's probably right for this. There's quite a bit in here, and that's good packaging as far as not having a lot of waste, I would think. It says it's 3 to 4 uses. Cleans the skin for luminous complexion. This is 35 milliliters. And then we got 2 of these hair conditioners. Let's see if they're the same. I think they're the exact same thing. They're Bahask Coconut Oil Nourishing Deep Conditioner. Moisturizes and revitalizes all hair types. There's 50 grams in each package. And it says these are $5.99. I assume that's a package. And it says, I'm sorry about that. I forgot to turn that down. I put that on a really I kept missing text or notifications, so I put that on something that kind of is annoying so that it would catch my attention so I wouldn't miss it. So this says, tip to put this on and leave on for 5 to 10 minutes or more. You don't just let the conditioner dry in your hair. Just don't let the conditioner dry in your hair. It's a great way to elevate this treatment. So, yeah. Let's see. It says $5.99 for 12 ounces. Okay. So a 12-ounce bottle, I assume, of it is $5.99, and these are 1.75 ounces. So it's not an expensive product if you find you like it and want to buy it. This is, I don't know what this is. Again, I apologize. I had that doctor's appointment today. It's been a long day. I've been stressed about things, and when I went in, when you go to the doctor's now, you have to sit in the car and do all your registering in the car, which, it's no big deal. We have to keep everybody safe and keep everybody healthy if possible, so it's no big deal. And I said to the nurse when I went in, because they have nobody working in the front, the nurse and the doctor are pretty much doing everything. They're bringing you in, they're setting up future appointments, they're doing everything. And I said to the nurse, wouldn't she be happy when things are better? Because there's no one working the front office. And my first thought was, I feel really bad, all those people obviously without jobs now. And I said, won't you be glad when this is pretty much over and can go back to the way things were? And she said, no, this is our new normal. She said, this is going to be the way it is for a good long time now. And I'm thinking, man, that's really sad to think that this is our new normal. That, I like hugging people. I like making friends. I like letting people know I care about them. And to think that this is our new normal, that we can't hug our loved ones or anything, that's really sad. So this little tube is a full size is 50 milliliters and it's $46. A deluxe size is 25 milliliters and it's $22. And this is a Northern Light smoothing fluid. In the height of summer, no one wants a dull complexion. This natural face fluid is packed with Siberian olive, rich in vitamin C and silicated I can't say that word. I can say the word, but right now my tongue's getting tied. Acid to give you radiant skin, tighter pores, and a more refined skin surface, combining a light fluid texture and a matte finish. It's the ideal base for warm weather. Okay, that's a pretty good size to be a face. Is it like a face serum, I guess? Or they're calling it a fluid, but okay. This, how many ounces is this? I don't see on here. It's probably those tiny, tiny, tiny writing that I can't see. Okay, it says this is a deluxe mini. It does say on there. Okay, and the next product is this Soothing Hawaii Facial Oil. It's a pretty package. And this 100 milliliters is $39. And okay, that 100 milliliters is $39, and this is 30 milliliters. Okay, tip says taking a few drops, rub the oil in an upward circulatory motion on the skin for optimal application. This gentle facial oil provides the ideal treatment to relax and comfort irritated or sensitive skin, created using a careful combination of hydrating sandalwood and soothing lavender essential oils. Your skin will feel comfortable throughout the entire day. Okay, that is that pretty packaging there. And the last item is it a lip balm? Let's see, it says Palm Balm is the name of it. It says take a breather with this 2-in-1 combo that enhances your lips and cheeks with a lovely shade of peachy rose. Formulated with coconut and apricot kernel oil, your skin will have a gorgeous, fresh, tropical glow. And this is full size, and it retails for $21. And this is the last item, so let's open this up and see what we got here. Oops. Let's see, this does have a seal thing, plastic all the way around it. Okay, let me get that off. Let's see here. It's got not a real strong color here. I didn't wipe my get that off. I'm trying to just get through these videos, so I have 2 or 3 for y'all. So there's that. Got that. We got the Hawaiian oil. Got this face cream. What else did we get? Oh, we got 2 of the coconut oil deep conditioners. And that's got quite a bit in it that should last, even with my long hair, should last several times. And then we've got the Hawaiian black salt peel-off mask that says it's 3 to 4 uses. And we got this exfoliating texture scrubber. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, well, let's see, 1, 2, 3. 3, I guess it would be samples. 2 that are considered deluxe samples, and then I guess these 2 are can be considered full size. So got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, and again that is, I'm pretty sure that is a $21 box. I'll go look, but I'm pretty sure that's what the box is. So love that packaging. So again, I really appreciate you for watching, and I'm going to try to get some more videos tomorrow. It's just been a really long day with my doctor's appointment and everything, but please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.